Hi friends, good morning. My name is Achyut and I'm from Vizag. So today in this class, we will solve another Java problem using arrays. So let's not waste the time. Let's write the problem statement. So user need to take two user inputs n and user need to take an array ar of one with size of n with size of n and user need to take another array of error, another array error of two. So we can write like this: error of one and error of two. So user need to take an array of error with size of n, and user need to take another of error with size of m. Now user need to check whether two arrays elements are equal or not. If it is equal, if it is if it is equal, user need to print true, or otherwise print false. Print false. So user need to take two user inputs n and n, and user need to take an array of one with size of n, and user need to take another array of two with size of m. Now user need to check whether two array elements are equal or not. If it is equal, user need to print true, or otherwise user need to print false. That's it. Simple. So let's comment this. So I will give some example. For example, I have given n value is equal to 5. N value is equal to 5. And what these are inputs 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these are the inputs. And I will give m value is equal to m value is equal to 5. And I will give 5 values 2, 3, 4, 5. So now see the array elements of air of 1, air of 1, air of 1, and air of 2. So both are equal, right? So both are equal, right? Then you have to print true. 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 So if it is not equal, for example, here I am having here 7. So then you have to print false. You have to print false. That's it. You have to check each and every element in the array. And if it is not equal, then you have to print false. If it is equal, you have to print true. Simple. Simple. So let us comment this thing. So I hope you understand the problem statement. Let's write the code. Import java.util.star. Scanner sc is equal to new scanner system dot. So first of all, we have to take n as an user input. Next sc dot next input. Sc dot next input. So here what I will do, I will take the array I will take the array air of 1 is equal to new end of size n of size n of size n, and I will give for loop I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus, and here I will give a air of 1 is equal to sc dot next int sc dot next int. So this is, and this is, we have given the so these are the n and the air of 1 values. So these are n and the air of 1 values, and here now I will give here m and air of 2 values now. So what I will do now, I will give int m is equal to sc dot next int sc dot next int. So I will give array integer type, and I will give air of 2, variable name as air of 2 is equal to new int of size m, right? Of size m. So we have taken the size of m. Here we are taking the size of m. That's it. So now I will do same thing. I will do give for loop, and I is equal to 0, I less than m. Sorry, I less than m, I plus plus. Here I will give air of 2 is equal to sc dot next and sc dot next int. So we have given n value sc dot next int and in the array of 1 new int. So we have taken the user inputs, like we have taken like this. We have taken like when I will give n is equal to 5, and I have taken 1 2 3 4 5, and when I'm giving n is equal to 5 and I'm taken 1 2 3 4 5. So these things we have taken, like this. So now the next thing, what we have to, we have to check whether these elements are equal or not. So first of all, what we have to do? So first I have to check whether n equal to 5, m is equal to 5. I have to check. We can give n is equal to 7 also, right? If it is n is equal to 7, then elements are 5 and 7. So then this array and this array is not equal. This array and this array is not equal. So first of all, we have to check. We have to check the n and m elements. We have to check n and m elements. So I will check. Now I will check whether m and n are equal. Now I will check if m not equal to n. If m not equal to n, what we have to print? We have to print system dot out dot println. I'll give false, right? We have to print false. We have to print false, or otherwise. So now we have taken, we have checked if m is not equal to n, then automatically it is false, right? The array elements are not equal. I will print false. Else if it is equal, So now m and n values are 5. Now m and n values are 5. So now we have to check these array elements are equal or not. Each and every element is equal or not. here 1 is there, or here 1 is 2 is there. Here 3 also there. Here 4 also there. Here 5 also there. So we have to check. So that's why I will take a boolean. I will take a boolean. Answer is equal to true. First of all, I will think. I will think. First of all, I will think. First of all, I will think these elements are equal. Both AR of 1 and AR of 2 is equal. I'll think both both arrays are equal. Both arrays are equal. Now, if it is not equal, I will check here if AR of I, sorry. So we have to traverse, right? We have to traverse. We have to traverse on the array. So I will check if AR int I is equal to int I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. So why I'm taking n? So yeah, I'm telling that both n and m are equal. So both n and m are equal. So that's why you can take n or m. You can take anything. You can take anything. So when this else the else will come, when m and n are equal, then only it will come here. So that's why you can take both n or m. So both n or m are equal, right? So both n and m are 5 only, right? So you can take anything. So I will go traverse on the array, and here I will check if AR of 1 of I is equal to AR of 2 of I. I hope you understand. So AR of I, 1 of I, what will check? It will check here 1, 2. So AR of 1 I, this one, and AR of 2 of I 1. It is equal? Yes, it is equal. And it will next time it will go to the AR of 2. So AR of 1 of, like it will go to the index 1. So it will check. Both likewise, it will check 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So index wise, it will check. Index wise, I hope you understand. Index wise, it will check. See AR of 1 of I. So when I is when what is the first value of I? It's 0. What is the first value of I? It's 0. So zeroth value is here. Zeroth value is 1, right? So and after that AR of 2 of I. So what is the value? 1. So it will check both and after that, the I value will be incremented here, I plus plus, and the I value will be transformed to 1. So it will come here, and AR of 1 means what? 2. AR of 1 of AR of 1 of 1 is 2, and AR of 2 of 1 is 2. So it is equal. Likewise, it will be incremented. After that, 2, 3, 4, 5, until n. Until n. I hope you understand. So if it is equal, what I have to do? So first of all, I have taken, sorry, I have taken the true, right? I'm thinking if it is equal, so I have to say not equal, that's it. So first of all, I'm thinking the both the arrays are equal, So if it is not equal, I have to check, I have to write just answer is equal to false. So I'm changing this true as false, that's it. So I hope you understand. So here I'm what I'm saying. So here I'm checking. I am thinking both the arrays are equal. Both the arrays are equal. Here, 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 I'm checking both the array elements. Both the array elements are equal. Here I'm checking both the array elements are not equal. Are not equal. So here I'm checking both array elements are not equal. So this is how I'm checking. If both the array elements are not equal, I will return false. So I have taken here I'm checking both array elements are not equal. So then I have to print. I'm thinking it's equal, and so it's not equal, and I'm returning I'm changing the answer variable to the false. That's it. Simple. And after that, I'll come out of the loop after checking all the things. So this for loop will check all the things, whether the array elements are equal or not. And finally, I will get the answer as I will print the answer. So whatever the answer is, if it's false, it will print the false, or if it is true, it will print the true. So that's it. So that's it. I hope you understand the program. So let us run the program. So we are having some error. Sorry. Here I write error of I. Here also error of I. And you have to write here 1 and here 2. That's it. So there is no errors. There is no errors. So first of all, I have to give n value 5. And after that, I will give 5 values. 3, 4, 5. And here I will give m value as 5. And I will give 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So first of all, n value 5, and I will give 5 values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And m value I have given 5. And after that, I have given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what should it return? It's written true, because all the array elements are equal. I have given m value 5, n value 5. So it is equal. So it's written true. And it is also, elements are also equal. So it has to return true. See, we got true. We got true. So we will look into the false statements also. So I'll give n value 5, and I'll give 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And m value 6 I'll give, and I'll give 1, 4, 2, 23, any value, 4, 5, 8, 9. So I have given 6 values, and which is not equal to the values of n, right? Values of n, array of array of one array, it is not equal to the array of two array. So and the n and m values also not equal. N and m values also not equal. So what it has to print? It has to print false. See, we got false. We got false. So this is how we can do some operations like using arrays. Using arrays. I hope you understand how to use Boolean also. So that's it, friends. I hope you understand this problem. And if you have any doubt in this class, please comment in the chat. I will help you out. And if you think this video is helpful for you, please like the video and please share this video to your friends and family members so that they can be benefit from this video. And please subscribe to my channel and please ring the bell icon. Then only you'll get the notification whenever I upload videos in the YouTube, or otherwise you will not get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.